Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Audi A4 oil level. First, you'll want to start your engine and allow it to reach its normal operating temperature. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes of driving. Make sure you drive for at least 20 minutes to ensure the oil is thoroughly warmed up. Then, park your Audi A4 on a completely level surface. This is crucial for getting an accurate oil level reading from the electronic sensor. Once your car is parked, turn off the engine and wait for approximately 2 minutes. This allows the engine oil to drain back into the oil pan, giving you a precise measurement. Next, turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. You'll then use your MMI system to access the oil level information. Navigate to the car menu on your display screen, and from there, select the oil level option. The MMI screen will now display a graphic showing your current engine oil level. This visual representation is very straightforward. A full bar indicates that your oil is at its maximum safe level, which is ideal. If the bar is low, it means you need to add engine oil. It's important to add oil in small increments, perhaps 1/4 of a liter at a time, and recheck the level to avoid overfilling, which can cause engine damage. Before adding any oil, always consult your Audi A4 owner's manual to confirm the correct type and viscosity. Use a clean funnel to add oil slowly through the oil filler cap, preventing any spills. After adding a small amount, wait a few minutes and then recheck the level using the MMI system. Repeat this process until the oil level is within the safe operating range. Finally, ensure the oil filler cap is securely fastened to prevent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.